A very warm welcome to the SSC. It's a hot and a bright day. Well, that's a change from what we've been having in this test match. And I can tell you that Sri Lanka are struggling. Pakistan leading them by a massive first innings score, 563 for 5. They made 385 runs on day 3 and they completely dominated the Sri Lankan bowling. Well, I'm afraid the Sri Lankans have to play a lot of catching up cricket. They are fighting with their backs to the wall. I got Amir Sohail with me. First and foremost, massive score for Pakistan. Look, question, wait, I haven't finished. What time do you think they should close their innings?
It should happen soon. You know, what they're looking for is maybe a heavy roller, which I doubted. They'll have a light roller for a little while, come out for about 5-6 overs and they should declare maybe half an hour.
No, it's been all Pakistan's way. So, I mean, there's very little in terms of to find out what Pakistan should do. But then, let me ask you, what should Sri Lanka do here?
First of all, let me get rid of this fly. By calling me pretty, you have the flies chasing me now. Anyways.
It's only the flies.
Okay, what was the question?
Might be the first boundary of the morning and is.
I thought Babar Azam had said that he didn't want the sweep.
Full toss, he likes that shot, he gets to it. Sweeps further in front of square and a similar result brings up the 100 partnership between these two.
And he gets closer to a half century. This is what you do. You get an opportunity, take it with both hands. 2 straight. Tough, as you call it.
Now he sweeps through mid-wicket. He loves the stroke. He plays it very, very well. And he's found the boundary on 3 occasions in this over already, Mohammad Rizwan.
49. In a very good innings. Like for like replacement.
That'll be 50. Opportunity taken by Mohammad Rizwan. 50 of just 67 deliveries. A lovely innings. And the end. Concussion replacement, Mohammad Rizwan coming.
That's the thinking. That's the light roller. There's
Karunaratne, average of Jiska. It's his 5th match.
tighten up on his game plan. See the threat of Shine Shah really.
Oh, big shout first up. Big shout. Umpire Alex Wolf says not out.
He's been good. Alex Wolf's been good. I thought I heard 2 noises and feel there was an inside edge. An area that he would love, short and wide. Get a boundary. Karunaratne's areas mostly are square on the wicket, on the pads, on the leg side. Eat and bring.
Not a feist shot into the gap and 4. Beautifully struck. Once again, saw the width, went after it.
Yeah, you talk about Karunaratne's angle, bat, and the way he plays, but then that's his method. He's perfected that art and he's got a good pedigree to show. Short and wide. Oh, there you are. Third slip. Where is third slip? They got an extra cover, but no third slip. So,
Right seam will have for you. Then the bouncer. And somehow he manages to put it away from the fielder, but good surprise delivery.
it was onto him a little bit quicker. Dushka was looking to hit it a little bit more squarer onto him quicker. Just in control, but the bounce just carried it over the wicket keeper. Off edge for sure.
Such an excellent option against to deal with an arduous task. That's a good usage of the feet.
hits the ball into the gap. Learning from the previous dismissal, where he tried to work the ball on the onside with the spin, couldn't get to the pitch of the ball, and this time around opted to use his feet. Better option from Karuna-Ratne. Middling the ball too.
He's slightly deep with a loose one there. Swivels on his back foot and puts that away, Madhushka.
Yeah, that ball afforded the batsman a lot of time to be able to hit the ball in the vacant area. It wasn't a bouncer, just back of the length delivery.
Line. No one saw that because it was hit hard and hit well.
You won't mind those deliveries. It's an easy pace wicket. If as a bowler you're not committed behind that short pitch delivery, you do not. The new ball hasn't worked for Pakistan, and that's why a lot of pressure on the spinners. They're over-trying things. Once again, a flighted delivery. Got to the pitch of the ball. Karuna-Ratne, and picked up another boundary. That's good batting. Not repeating the mistake he made at all. Look at this swing. Oh, good hit. Good hit. I like these tactics from the Sri Lankan batters on this hottest day during this test match.
So far so good from Sri Lanka's point of view. Give the Pakistan bowlers something to think of. Goal in the first innings. Anything Pakistan tried, Sri Lanka played into their hands. Now mind you, he's in line with the stumps. Oh, left arm. Well, he's done it. First delivery. Perfect start for Noman Ali. Yeah, I thought he played down the wrong line and turned just enough, hit the top of the off stump. That's the wicket Pakistan was after.
Yeah, he hasn't had much bowling to do in this test match, Noman Ali, but when called upon, he gets it spot on. A little bit of drift, that's a super delivery. It really is. Little bit of drift into middle and
Kind of potential and promise he has. Would be hoping that it would be in the 40. Good shot. Very good shot. He knows that it's not turning, so anything in line. Kusal Mendes this time hitting a boundary.
so quick on his feet, isn't he? Makes the decision at the right time. Just as the bowler lets the ball go, he's down the wicket. It's just a quick shuffle.
Goes again. Very safe and 4. Very decisive with the way he's moving. 79 for 1. Oh yes, another brilliant catch. Straight off the bat. Pakistan strike.
Well, that short leg fielder is a beauty. I think it's Abdullah Shafiq. It was Imamul Haq in the first session, probably the exchange of guard at short leg, or maybe it's Imamul Haq, I'm not too sure, but whosoever it was sensational. Imamul Haq there neatly taking it off the handle, off the splice.
Karuna-Ratne was trying to be very busy. Over the top. Off the mark. Noman Ali, he wouldn't mind seeing a batter bat like this.
Yeah, two ways to go about things. Either hit yourself out of trouble by doing something like this.
On the shorter side, picked away nicely.
Base spin particularly well and went back. He wants to camp more on the back foot.
Gone. Easy as you like it. A third for Noman Ali. But Kusal Mendes, I really don't know how to describe this.
In the first innings, there were plenty of examples of batters throwing away their wickets. Soft dismissal, whatever you want to call it. And this was another one of those soft dismissals. Looking for an inside-out, glorious drive over the infield. Couldn't manage it. It needs application. Inside leg to cover. That's a lot better. Solid. This is good batting from Angelo Matthews.
Asking for a catch. Very confident. Given. Chandimal doesn't believe it. He's looking at his forearm. Will he review it? Is he going to review it? Still thinking about it. He's having a chat. He said,
Oh, that's a beautiful stroke. Brave hit. Presented the full face of the bat, and that's why he was able to execute that stroke.
excellent shot.
Played that nicely. Just waited for it, played it late. This over, he's just trying to get the ball to go away from the right-hander, trying to draw Dhananjaya De Silva across the crease before then delivering the one that swings in. It's gone a long way. It's clipped the pad.
Mid-on waits, miss it, and takes it. So that's a fifth wicket for Norman in defending, and finally decides to break free. Angelo Matthews once again hitting sus.
In the air, oh, that was very close to the fielder. Placed that
Sharp spin. Now Abrar, bit of width, length on Matthews' side. He stripped it, gone. We always knew it was coming. We could see it coming. Tamara Vikrama for 5, 141. That didn't happen. Maybe he can hang around for.
There it is. There it is. Pace taken off, and that is certainly not the way to try and save a test match.
The new batter and
very much impressed with the
oh, finally,
knocking up 10 wickets.
just Sri Lanka 184.
The off stump. Bowler. Delivery from the paceman. Naseem Shah. Short stay.
Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Brilliant from Naseem Shah.
They're playing like a well-oiled unit.
4. But a lot to be happy about. No Manali.